Hi guys, welcome back to Yellow Brick Road TV. And this morning I'm coming to you from the Rocklands Bird Sanctuary in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And this is all the concoction that them have to feed the birds. It's in a dish right there covered up. And yes.
So we're giving them absolute vodka.
This is it. Guys, listen to the bird. Guys, look at Dr. Bird. Bloody hell, this one is tame. Okay. Dr. Bird people.
Wait. The speed of it.
If you're back ready. Back over ready, sir.
Speed.
So guys, you take one of this and you sit down and you wait for the bird to come.
We're at the Rockland Bird Sanctuary. The Rockland Bird Sanctuary. And there's about 16 bird species of hummingbirds.
Not hummingbird, finches and owl there.
Finches and?
Yeah, in Jamaica, 4 hummingbird species there.
Oh, so correction. In Jamaica, there's 4 different species of hummingbird, but there is 16 different species of what? Just birds?
Yeah, birds.
Oh wow! So you call the hummingbird?
This one.
Yeah.
You like no.
Jesus.
Okay. Hummingbirds enjoy sugary drink because they use so much energy. If you look at their wings, you see how
80
quickly.
to 90 times a second.
You see? 80 to
90 times a
90
second.
times a second. Now that's fast. Now this is a Montego Bay. So fairly easy to get to from the side in the wings. And from the center of Montego Bay is about 25 minutes drive. We also have Blue Pearl International Reefs.
They're eating from me at all.
It's very pleasant, very serene, very peaceful, nature at its best.
See it all on the Yellow Brick Road TV.
Nice chirp.
Please like and share. This is a short one. I'm coming back to you.